Hey everyone, welcome to Print Smart Help. Facing issues while setting up your HP wireless printer? Don't worry, in this quick 2-minute video, I'll show you how to fix it easily for all HP models. If you get stuck anywhere, you can also get instant support on the numbers shown on your screen right now. Check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your printer and your phone or computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Restart devices. Turn off your printer, router, and device. Wait for 30 seconds and turn them back on. Step 3. Use HP Smart App. Download and open the HP Smart App. Tap on Add Printer and follow the instructions. Step 4. Reset network settings. If not connecting on your printer, press and hold the wireless plus cancel button for 5 seconds to reset network settings. Step 5. Reconnect printer. Now reconnect your printer to Wi-Fi using the HP Smart App again. If your printer is still not connecting, check for firmware updates or move the printer closer to your router. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and comment your query below. I'll help you out.